So in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 random tools that you will need as a beginner screen printer and even as an experienced screen printer. So number 1 is baby wipes. Baby wipes are the easiest thing I've found on the market to take plastisol ink and water-based ink off your hands. They don't have harsh chemicals because they're safe for babies, and they don't dry out your hands either if you're using multiple ones during the day. But these are super helpful. They have texture to them, so they help like grind out that plastisol ink that can sometimes be hard to get because it's so oily. So this is a great tool to have in your arsenal. So you can get about 1,000 baby wipes from Costco or Amazon, and they're about $20. Tool number 2 is going to be Popsicle wood sticks. So I got a pack of 75 from Hobby Lobby, and they're $2.49. These are very helpful when you're mixing inks, when you're mixing chemicals, or when you're doing cleanup. They just make your life a whole lot easier. And the good thing about them is you use them and you just throw them away. So there's no cleanup after you're done using these. Tool number 3 is going to be a scrub pad. The good thing about this is it has a drill bit on it. So you attach it to your drill bit, and this makes cleaning your plantains 10 times easier because you're not having to scrub out the lint, especially when you're doing hoodies, like very large runs of hoodies. So all you got to do is just get a spray bottle, spray your plantain, and then you attach this to your drill and put it to work. It helps you not scrub all day long. This does the heavy work for you, and it does it super effectively. I got this drill bit at Amazon for $12, and it brought a pack of 6. And it's really something I think is something everyone should have. You can see like some of the lint right here that's coming off of it. But they're super helpful, and it takes literally seconds to clean your plantains instead of minutes, and you just slaving away all day at it. Something I do with this as well. So you can attach a baby wipe onto this and put it on your plantain and spin it, and it will actually take away the lint as well. So you can either use a spray bottle and get your plantain wet, or you can use a baby wipe and then just throw it away. I find that using a baby wipe is more cleaner. That way lint isn't flying everywhere sometimes. Most of it sometimes doesn't stick here. Sometimes you'll notice that it flies away. So using a baby wipe really helps contain the mess. Tool number 4 is going to be a spray bottle. But this isn't just any spray bottle, it's a continuous spray bottle. So it helps you, especially if you're using water-based inks, you'll want to use this because you push just once or twice and you have a large amount of water come out, and it's very misty, so it doesn't soak up your screen too much to where your ink is going to bleed through your screen. The advantage of continuous spray bottles is that your arm won't get as fatigued when you're doing large runs. So I definitely recommend getting a continuous spray bottle. You can find these on Amazon for like $5. And tool number 5 is wood clamps. So these guys go on your screens on the edge. Ideally you have 2 of these. These are like $5 each at Walmart, but you put them on each edge and then you rest your squeegee on them. So this prevents, if you're doing like a very small design, it prevents your entire screen from getting dirty with ink. It helps really contain the mess and just keep it to where you need it. And when you're done, you just pop them off. Sometimes you'll notice you'll get a little ink on them, but it's just an easy cleanup. With a baby wipe, you just clean it off, or you can spray water on it as well. So hopefully some of these tools that I showed today will help you out with screen printing and make your life a whole lot easier.